accurate forecast from Daniel Johnson starts now with Storm Tracker weather on Montana's news station.
Welcome back and good evening. We got into the lower teens today. It looks like we'll jump up a few degrees each and every day. The middle of next week looking quite nice, very mild. 10 degrees right now. That was our high. We're still sitting there. 68% humidity, north winds at 6. So still a cold wind right out of Canada. 1 below overnight tonight around 10 p.m. We'll be there. I think we'll get around 2 below for the overnight low. 0 by wake up time if you're getting up at 6 a.m. 9 degrees by noontime. A few flurries tonight and through the day tomorrow, but those flurries will taper off. Clouds will stay with us. We'll eventually clear out by Tuesday afternoon. 40 degrees in Kalispell, 32 in Butte. Here's all the mild weather that's going to come our way towards the middle of the week. All the 50s and 60s out to the west. That'll be heading our direction, but eastern Montana still stuck in with the cold and the clouds. Only 3 in Glasgow, so they do have a wind chill advisory in effect from 11 p.m. tonight through 11 a.m. on Monday. Wind chills 20 below to 30 below. And remember, you can always get frostbite within 30 minutes when you do have a wind chill advisory. So please take it easy if you're heading out to the northeast. Now there's a snowstorm and a rainstorm out towards the east coast, an area of low pressure to the south. Now a tornado watch box showing up in southeast Virginia and northeast North Carolina, and snow behind that system. So a lot of rain and snow for the east coast today. Here in the Pacific Northwest and into the northern plains and Rocky Mountain front, just a few scattered snow showers and flurries across the state. The main bulk of the precipitation is in California right now. An area of low pressure will develop to our south, bring with it some clouds and flurries tomorrow. There are some clearing spots into the Helena Valley right now, but those will begin to pick up and increase. We'll start to see some clouds pick up. Missoula still seeing some snow flurries and scattered rain and snow showers, so that's the good news. Everything's pretty much scattered. The bulk of the precipitation will be to our south into Wyoming, into Idaho. Most of the precipitation is west of the Rocky Mountain front, and it's going to stay there for most of the night. Only scattered flurries overnight tonight. High pressure to the north, low pressure to the south. This is the setup for the next couple of days. Here's that main axis of precipitation just to our south. That's going to push off to the east. Cold weather stays with us tomorrow, but as we transition into Tuesday, high pressure builds in, warm weather brings a ridge of high pressure, brings in the jet stream to the north, and by Wednesday, this jet stream is going to be north of us. So that means much warmer weather. 13 degrees in Havre, 11 in Glasgow, 13 in Glendive tomorrow, southwest of that front into the 30s and 40s across Missoula, but the whole state, cloudy skies with a chance of flurries tomorrow. 9 below in Cut Bank tonight, 5 below in Havre, 5 below in Fairfield. Fort Benton warming up a bit to 17 tomorrow, 13 in Havre, 11 in Cut Bank. Mostly cloudy skies, a chance of flurries, 19 in Stanford. For tonight, 1 below in Winnett, 2 below in Jordan. The further south you go, the better chance of flurries and snow showers. Malta and Glasgow will probably remain cloudy, below normal temperatures, well below 0 as well. 12 in Malta tomorrow. So cloudy skies tonight, only a 30% chance of light snow and flurries, northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, 2 below for the overnight low. Tomorrow, cloudy skies stay with us, only a slight chance of a few flurries towards the afternoon, high of 17. So a few degrees warmer tomorrow, but still another Arctic-like day. But look at Tuesday, 35, 42 on Wednesday, full sunshine for both Wednesday and Thursday. I wanted to put 50 so bad. I think we still have the possibility of getting into the 50s on Thursday, so stay tuned for more forecasts on that spring-like update possibly. Winter tries to come back on Friday, but spring says I don't think so. It comes back on Sunday, back into the 40s.
You're just teasing all of us saying that it might be a possibility.
Right, so stay tuned to Fred's forecasts for later in this week. I think 50 might be on there. And also looking ahead to the long-range pattern, the next 2 weeks, I think spring might win out.
Did you hear that?
There we go.
We're holding you to it, Daniel.
Right.